Thank you for watching this Sotera Systems Minute. Today we are taking a look at the 400B series electrically operated double diaphragm pumps. 400B series pumps are available in materials of construction that handle a wide variety of fluids, including lubricants and aggressive viscous agricultural chemicals. Be sure to consult the online chemical compatibility guide at Sotera.com to determine the correct pump for your needs. They're available in 12 or 24 volt DC or 115 volt AC models for maximum versatility, allowing you to pump where and when you need to. Flow rates up to 15 gallons per minute and 10 feet of dry lift capability make them ideal to mount directly to drums, tanks, IBCs, or totes. You can also customize your pump with a variety of accessories or choose a pre-packaged system that includes everything you need to start pumping right out of the box. The unique drive mechanism maintains constant pressure regardless of load and eliminates the need for an internal bypass. The pump simply goes into neutral when the fluid discharge valve or nozzle is closed. The design is ideal for pumping shear-sensitive fluids and can run dry without damage if your tank empties. It will pass solids up to 1/10 of an inch, and an internal one-way check valve makes the 400B compliant with the EPA 165.45 no backfilling mandates. The Sotera Systems 400B series diaphragm pumps are the safest, easiest, and most convenient way to transfer and dispense fluids. Have questions? Contact your Sotera Systems representative or visit us online at Sotera.com.